Morning. I'm not gonna lie, I needed this cup of coffee today. Hello and good morning. Today is Monday. I'm doing another week in the life of a med student and I thought I'd bring you guys along. I already worked out this morning. I finished 2 lectures. I also have lab in the afternoon. This is going to be our last lab for the block, so it's very exciting. It's 11 a.m. I have lab at 2, which means I need to leave my apartment by 1:30. So between 11 and 1:30, we need to prep for lab, aka watch a few videos on dissections and stuff. I need to get through 1 lecture, and then I need to eat lunch. So 3 things. We have about 2.5 hours. We got this. Let's go.
After removing the viscera from the cadaver, next step is to begin dissecting structures of the posterior abdominal wall.
Hi, welcome back. It is 8:36 p.m. at night. So I got back from lab around 5:30-ish. Actually, 6:30-ish. I had like a meeting about research after lab, and so I had to stay a little bit longer. But anyways, I got back, I instantly showered, and I made some dinner. So let me show you guys my dinner. Here is the sandwich. It's a chickpea filling. This is my first time making it, but essentially I did chickpeas, some poblano, onion, and celery, and then I just cooked it all up on a stove with some oil, and then I put in some like garlic aioli, some Dijon mustard, and then some chipotle sauce. All right, so that's dinner. Just wanted to end today's vlog, Monday's vlog, before I started eating dinner. The rest of the night I'm just going to finish something that I need to do for this research project that I'm on, and then I need to start studying for this anatomy quiz that we have at the end of this week, and then we have this like bigger anatomy exam on Monday. So a lot of things happening. But right now, all I want to do is sit and decompress from this day. It's kind of crazy to think how long our days are sometimes. Like, it never ends. Like, it's 8:30 and I'm gonna eat dinner, and then I'm probably gonna go back to working. So it's kind of like insane when you think about it, but it also feels good sometimes. I feel like I'm putting in the work and I like the work that I'm doing. So today's one of my good days. I have days where I break down at like 3 p.m. in the afternoon and I'm like, I am done. I don't want to do this anymore. But it's all about the ups and downs, as long as there are more ups than downs. But yeah, I'm gonna go have my dinner. But thank you for joining me on this Monday, this kind of gloomy, sad Monday. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi, good morning. So it's Tuesday morning. I don't know why I did this. It's Tuesday morning, and why is my head cut off? And I went for a run this morning, and I went through one lecture already. I still have 2 lectures to go through this morning. It's about 10 a.m. I'm just waiting for my second lecture to start. I'm heating up some oatmeal because anytime I make oatmeal, I make enough for like a week so that I just don't have to think about breakfast. That's where we are at in our lives. But hey, at least it's healthy. So in the morning, we had an introduction to our endocrine module. So we're in the GI unit, and then we also have endocrine this block, and then we also have repro or reproduction. So things are cooking. I really like endocrine. Like I really like the hormones and stuff in our body and how one interacts with another and how one can have all these different effects in the body and all of that stuff. But I know I'm saying it right now before things get real. So anyways, that was my morning. Let's get to our lectures for the day.
So we can understand ultimately how the peripheral gland, thyroid, how they actually ultimately control my body. The conflicts on my body. Okay. So this is just a little bit of a recapitulation of what Dr. James talked about. Just a little bit more of a ground form here. So we're almost covered on cell group.
Hi, welcome back. Oh, okay, so it's about noon, 11:57 a.m. I got done with my lectures for the day, and now I think I'm gonna make some quick lunch, which is just reheating stuff from yesterday. And then I have this PATH educational case review at 1. And then I have a little bit of time to work on that embryology paper that we have due. So I'm thinking I'll do that from like 2 to 3. And then we have a review session for anatomy, because I think I mentioned, but I have an anatomy quiz this Friday, and then like an exam this coming Monday. And then I also have another like smaller quiz that we have to do by tonight. And then I have class from 6 to 8 p.m. So quite a little bit of like a lot of things to do. But first things first, let's go get some lunch.
Helps you with your diagnosis of that?
Welcome to Wednesday. It is about 10 a.m. I just finished one of my lectures, and then I took a little break to heat up my oatmeal before I start my classes, the next 2 classes that I have for the day. And I thought I'd come here and check in. I know I didn't really get to like film too much yesterday, and I think it's because I was just so in the zone with work, and yeah, I just completely forgot to get my camera out and film something. And I honestly wasn't doing anything interesting. I think at like 8 p.m. I just got into bed and just continued to do work until I fell asleep. So very exciting life over here. But no, I have 2 more lectures that I need to get done today. And then I actually go into clinic this afternoon. So from 1 to 5, I get to go into the clinic and see patients, and that's going to be really exciting. I say see patients as if I'm like doing anything substantial, but I am seeing them with my preceptor, you know, with the doctor that I get to shadow and work with. So that's always good. I feel like that always breaks up my day in a good way. Granted, it's like a huge like time commitment because it's going to be 4 hours of my day, but I think it's really interesting, and I think it breaks me out of like my study bubble and do something productive. But yeah, for the rest of the evening, then after I come back from clinic, I just have to sit down and study for this table quiz, this anatomy table quiz that we have on Friday. And what table quizzes are where we go into lab and we have our dissections, and then we kind of identify structures. So it's a quiz, and so we're tested on that, and then we have a bigger anatomy exam on Monday that I need to prep for. So that's our goal for today. It is just getting through lectures. We're then gonna go into the clinic and then put our heads down and get shit done. So it's gonna be a good day, productive day. Let's go.
To understand cirrhosis, whether portal hypertension is present, and then of course histologic tests, or when we do biopsies of the liver.
Hi, so I am off to clinic. It's about 12:30, I want to say, and the walk is going to be like 20-ish minutes. So I'm excited. I have my white coat on. I'm wearing my business professional clothing, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Let's do this. Hi. Wow, it is so much later. It is 8:41 p.m. I got done with clinic around 5, and then I got home, and then I went grocery shopping, and then I picked up some food. I finished dinner, and now I'm just going to spend the next 2.5 hours studying. I have a lot of anatomy to study, and I'm kind of panicking a little bit about this quiz and this exam on Monday, but it'll be okay. I just need to put in the time. And honestly, this is what I always tell myself, like panicking doesn't do anything, because when I panic, it like gets me all in my thoughts and feelings and all of that stuff, and then I don't get as much work done, which then sends me into another panic spiral. So, not gonna panic. But I did want to tell you guys a little bit about clinic today. It was a really, really good clinic. I have like notes about like what I saw today, what I learned, and all of that stuff. And I always carry like a little notebook with me. Oh, here, let me grab it. So when I first started going into clinic, I like bought this little notebook, and I just have like pages of just notes that I take on patients that we see and diseases that we learn about, and it's just so interesting. And the medications, because there's so many medications and they all have so many different names. Like one person will say something, someone will say like Flomax versus Tamsulosin or whatever, you know, like there's just like so much variation. So yeah, I just have like notes and pages and pages of notes. Which I love because I feel like I learned a lot. Other exciting piece of news is that I got some news about my summer plans. I have been kind of going back and forth about what to do in the summer, and so I applied actually for a research program through my school, and I found out that I got it, and so that's really exciting. I basically have my plans set for the summer, and it comes with a stipend, which is awesome because really like want to be paid in the summer, because it really hurts not being paid. I don't know if any of you have watched my like I was afraid to become a doctor video. Like you know how much the lack of money affects me, or like the lack of income and like ability to make money affects me, because it's just like something that I'm so not used to. So yeah, very excited that I will have some concrete research in the summer and I get paid for it. And the really exciting thing about that too is I actually get to go to a conference in Colorado in the summer. So I am thrilled. It's gonna be great. All right, so that is a little bit of an update for me, and now for the rest of the evening I am just going to go study. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end Tuesday's vlog right here because I'm just gonna be sitting on my couch with my laptop studying. But thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. morning. So today is Thursday. It's about 10 something in the morning. I finished one of my morning lectures and then I made myself a green smoothie. And now we're going to get through our 2 other lectures for today, or for this morning. And then I have 2 additional lectures in the afternoon, and I still have 1 lecture I need to watch from yesterday. And then I have a review for anatomy for this practice exam that we take in order to prepare for our Monday exam. So that's from 3:30 to 5. And then the rest of the day is just going to be a whole bunch of studying, because we're going to ace this anatomy exam. I'm just putting it out there in the world. We're gonna do well. Busy day and a lot of studying today. Like, there's not going to be a lot of movement from here. Enough talking. It's 10 something. I'm already late for the second lecture. Let's go.
And when you have excessive breakdown of red blood cells, iron can accumulate. And when patients become anemic,
stomach kind of abutting the duodenum. And here it is on CT.
Hi, I got done with my anatomy quiz for today and it just feels so good. It feels like a weight is lifted off. We did really well, so feels great. It's about 4:40 p.m. on a Friday afternoon, and after exams I usually do like life things that I've like put aside, you know, to like study, and the life thing that I need to do today is cleaning my apartment. It's just been, I need I need a clean space. That's like the biggest thing. That's like the most important thing for me in order for my brain to like function clearly. So I'm gonna clean my apartment, and then I have dinner plans around 8 p.m. tonight with a few friends. So I'm gonna go pick up some dessert. We're just gonna do like an at-home dinner with some dessert, and yeah, it'll be really nice. I'm very excited. But I wanted to end this week's vlog over here. Thank you guys so much for joining me this week. And if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.